Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a video. It's a mukbang. I had some food and I was like, let me talk to y'all, you know. Here's my food. For the thumbnail, it's some macaroni, chicken, cornbread, and then I have just like a roll. Yeah, shout out to my, you know, alma mater. Is that what that's called? University of Louisville. Of course, you know, I graduated that from my undergrad in 2017, and I just recently graduated with my master's, the hood, from Western Kentucky University, if you didn't know. So yeah, I'm a master's degree girl out here. I was gonna say candidate, but I already got it. And so today I'm gonna talk to y'all about some ways, you know, to hustle in school, build your network, and, you know, do good out here. Okay, so we're gonna talk about how to hustle in school. And I got a new phone and I'm gonna be using it because I have it on my notes. So yes, first, you know, let me bite into my food or something like that and let y'all know. So before we start this, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And today I just want to give y'all some tips and just have a conversation about like school. If you're going to school, if you're about to, if you're already in there, you don't know, you might be lost, you might be still trying to figure out. I want to help you all out today. So the first thing, I would say that college education is important. Yes. Right up under that, I would say networking is important. Okay, y'all? Networking is important. Say it with me. Networking is important. But for those who don't know how to network, I'm about to tell y'all. That chicken is good. First, if you're a freshman going in, talk to your residence assistants. I was one. They can help you get involved on campus, tell you about the programs, events, anywhere. Next, the next people you see are your professors. Make sure you talk to them. Make sure that you make connections with them. They have office hours as well. And you can go meet them, go talk to them. They are a resource to you all. You literally pay for them. Use them. Connect, talk with them. You can ask them to be your mentor if you have a great, you know, interaction with them. Like after you have great interactions with them, you like what they do, you see what they do. Use that time wisely and be able to build networks with them. Okay? So your professors are your first thing to help build your network on a college campus. The next thing is getting involved with organizations. So your school may have, like, when I went, they had like OrgSync or something like that. And that's just like where all the organizations are on there. Find something that you like on there. Go to an organization meeting. All of the events on campus usually have free food. Tip number one, free food, go. You don't know who you'll meet. And you don't know what food you're going to get. Go and get that free food and meet people, okay? So you go to events, you get free food, you meet people, and you connect. And that is from going on your school's website. They have like RSO fairs, which are like organizations. They'll sometimes be up in your student involvement office. You can go there and see what they have. And so therefore, you'll know what's going on. You'll see what's going on. You get to choose what you want to go to. And therefore, you meet people there. Okay? So you meet people there. That could be your best friend for the next 10 years. You can meet another professor. You can meet the dean of students. You can meet someone that can be helping you with your major. You never know. It also is good. And so, with that, you may never know who you'll meet. Always keep your eyes open and always look and see what's going on, seeing where people are at, seeing who people are talking to. And we all know representation matters. So make sure that you seek out people who look like you and people who don't look like you. But if you're looking for that community aspect, you can see, like, look for people who look like you and are interested in helping you. And another thing I would say is go into your student involvement office, because them are like, there's dean of students there. The president isn't there usually in that office, but dean of students is there. High people in higher roles are up there, and just go around, walk around, and seeing who you can talk to, seeing who you can ask. And if you want to make a meeting with people, just to make connections, so like they'll know who you are, they'll know your face, they'll know your name, you'll speak to them. And if you start that in your freshman year, you don't know what opportunities and what chances you may get through your next 4 years. At my previous school, I was talking to the dean of students. I met her for my grad program. I met her for my first year. I just met her because I went somewhere, and I've been talking to her ever since. And I don't really quite remember even where I met her at, but I used to have meetings with her, talking to her. And so I be knowing people, I be seeing people. In undergrad, I talked to the dean all the time after I met him, after we connected. And we just like had conversations. You just never know. And I was going to a conference, and I asked them to give me some money for a conference, and he paid for my registration. So you just never know who you'll meet, what you will do, what will happen, and anything that goes on in this world. So networking and connections are definitely key. And I would say also being you. If you're a person who likes to go and talk to people, don't shy away from that, because that's a networking tip too. You talking to people, you meeting with people, you getting involved on campus. As in, maybe your freshman year you don't want to be on the board, but maybe next year you want to be that president, you want to be that vice president, you want to work and connect with them advisors. Excuse me. If you're thinking about going to grad school after, that would be really great. But you need letters of recommendations, references, things like that. So just think about college. Just think about it's all networking. It's all who you know. It's all what's going on. Don't forget about your studies. You know, academics are important. But also remember that you're there on a mission. You're just there for 4 years. So you need to get everything that you put into it, because you know college is expensive. So I would say to build your network as soon as possible. Meet as many people you can meet. And also, if it allows, don't be afraid to go out in the community. So I know with me, I went out in the community a little bit. I volunteered, but if you have that opportunity to go out in the community, go get involved. Go, like if it's like your work, if it's like internship, volunteer hours, build yourself in that community, because that could be something that you may not think about, but later on, that could be where your job is at. So also, I would say focus on campus, but don't negate from community. You know? And I believe that's like all the tips and tricks that I can think about right now. That's a quick little video to help my people out. If you have any questions about it, you want me to do some more tips, let me know in the comments below. Or if you have any tips for future people who want to go to college, let me know too. Or you can let them know in the comments. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And turn on that notification bell so you do not miss another video, okay? You don't want to miss it. All right, bye y'all.